Hey, what's up? Good to see you here. If you feel the same, do the comment. So there is this operating system called Cutefish OS, and this is like one of the most beautiful operating system out there. Yes, this is another Linux distribution, and it is based on Debian, same as the Ubuntu. Ubuntu is actually the most popular Linux distribution. So you can say that Debian is the mother and father of this operating system and many other Linux operating systems. So in short, this is a Cutefish desktop environment running on top of the Debian. So before we explore this operating system, we need to accept one truth, that macOS looks great. Even though I am a Windows user, I think that compared to Windows, macOS looks way much better. The UI look and feel is just much better in macOS. So let me show you around what this operating system is all about, how it looks and what it comes with and all that. So let's jump into it. So first of all, we will get a macOS style desktop. Yes, obviously with the dock at the bottom, just like in macOS, and we have some pinned applications in it. And we also have a launcher which will actually show us all the applications that are installed in our operating system. So it comes with some essential applications such as Archive Manager, Document Viewer, Gparted for managing your disks and partitions, and we have a package installer, so you can download a package from the internet and use this to install without using a terminal. And we have a store. From here we can download apps and games for our operating system. And store itself also looks great. The UI of the store is also well designed. If we open the settings application and compare it with the store, and you can see it matches the design of the settings. So everything in this OS is seamless. So I really like this. There is a category you can go through and download the applications that you need. And we also have a screenshot application pre-installed, which actually works similar to Windows snipping tool. We can grab an area and we can capture the screenshot of that area. Very cool, I like it. And we also have a system monitor application installed. If you use Windows, there is a task manager where you can monitor your Windows computer. So this is a same thing. Using this application, you can monitor your operating system and you can also manage the processes running in the background. You can run them, you can stop them, and default browser in this operating system is Chromium web browser. Actually, I use Chrome, so it is a good thing for me that this operating system comes with Chromium web browser. If you like other web browsers, you can download them, install them, no big deal. It's just good for me because I use Chrome, so Chromium web browser is here. Now let's explore the system settings, and settings menu are also same as the macOS style, which, as I said, macOS looks great. So everything in this OS is actually great. So if you think that macOS isn't good, then maybe you will not like this OS. But as I said, I am a Windows user, but I think macOS looks way better than Windows, in my opinion. So there is a dark mode too, which is a great thing because now these days every operating system has the dark mode. So let's open the terminal and I'm gonna switch to the dark mode to see how seamless the transition is between the light mode and dark mode. And you can see it just works flawlessly. No hiccups or no nothing like that, just straight smooth transition. And you can also use a control center to turn on or off the dark mode, just like that. So as far as I know, I think dark mode affects almost every application that this operating system has. I'm opening almost all the applications, and all the applications actually have a dark mode except the Chrome web browser. Okay, that's very sad. All the other applications actually have a dark mode. Even the image viewer, calculator, yep, everything is in dark mode. Archive Manager, that's in dark mode. Video player, that is also in dark mode. So almost all the system applications support dark mode. So you can see I have opened a bunch of applications and they are all in dark mode. So in my opinion, this is a very clean and very beautiful operating system. If you like using a Linux, or you want to use a Linux which is user friendly plus looks really attractive, then I think this is a really good operating system. So this is the official website for this OS. I will put a link in the description. You can go there, and from here you can download this operating system. So yeah, this OS is minimal, beautiful, and maybe made for you. That's it. I will see you on the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye bye.